Let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro. So in order to use those secret codes, you just have to open the phone app, and then we're gonna switch to the keypad. We're gonna begin by using *#06#, and this allows you to open the device information where we can find IMEI numbers, ICC ID, MSI SDN, and also the EID and serial number of the device. Of course, this information is also available in About Phone settings, in the settings of the phone. Now, another code is *#225#*#**. This allows you to open the calendar info, but not much is actually provided in here. Now, from now on, I will use similar codes. I mean, they will begin and end exactly the same way with *##*#. This is how they begin. Then we have the this certain number, and then we end it with ###*#. So this time I'm gonna use 426, and then we end it ###*#. And there we go. This allows you to open the FCM diagnostics menu, where we can find if we are connected to a certain server, which seems to be the Google server. We can tap on events over here or switch back to status, and that's pretty much all. Then another code is 4636. There we go. And this is the phone and Wi-Fi connection test menu. If you go to phone information, then you should be able to find a bunch of different information about the network connection, and you can find a similar settings and information for the Wi-Fi as well. Now, after that, we're gonna use 0000, and this apparently doesn't work. It used to be the device info, but now it seems that it doesn't work on this phone. It worked on some other Xiaomi devices, but it seems that in this case it does not work. We have a slightly longer code now, and that is 726633, and apparently it enables the 5G network mode selection. If you enter it again, then instead of show, it will say hide. So just to prove it to you, I'm gonna use it again. There we go, high 5G network mode selection. Now, besides that, we have the 6484 code, and this is the CIT test menu. This is where we can perform a bunch of different tests on this phone. So if you are not sure if something is working correctly or not, you can probably go over here and perform a quick test to verify that. Then we can use a pretty similar code, but it is 6485, and this one allows you to open the charging and battery info. Now, unfortunately, I'm not sure what all of this means, but maybe there is someone who is looking for this kind of information. Maybe it is actually a bunch of codes that mean something. And the last code that I want to show you is 86583, and this code allows you to have access to VoLTE calls, whether you can enable it or not. So usually this option is hidden for many users, but if you use that code, then if you go to SIM card settings, you will have the option to enable or disable VoLTE calls. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.